Hey guys, today in Two Feather Survival Quick Tips, we're going to take a look at something that I've seen go around Facebook many times. Recently had a good friend of mine, Colin, had tagged me on my personal page and said, "Hey Tim, Urban Survival, will this actually work?" So the thing that you probably have all seen involves these guys, Crayola crayons. Now every house you can probably find a box or two or maybe even multiples. They're probably broken in half in a lot of places. That's fine, but everybody's probably got kids or grandkids. The story goes that these will burn like a candle for 30 minutes. We're going to take a look at that exact thing today as a quick tip with Two Feather Survival. Stay with me. Well, here's what we got. I've got a box of crayons. They're Crayola, but it doesn't really matter which ones they are as long as they've got a paper coating on the outside. The other thing I want to make sure I don't do is I don't want to leave a lot of point here at the top. I want to get that down just about at paper level and actually set the paper on fire first. Once I got that burning, the paper should, in theory, melt the wax on the inside and make the paper a wick, so it should burn all the way down. I've never actually seen this done. I'm sure there are YouTube videos. I'm not sure how long it's going to last. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change cameras and go to my time-lapse camera. I've got a timekeeping device here, and hopefully I won't burn down my house because I'll make my wife a little bit mad with me. So we're going to give this a go. So let me change out the cameras here and leave this position pretty much where we've got it, and we're going to see how long these actually burn. Alright guys, so I got about 16 minutes. As you actually see, cut the lighting down just a little bit, this is actually still burning. So it took a little bit for the time-lapse video to render out, so it's probably on the order of about 20 minutes. Why is something like this good? Why is this a good skill to have in your bag of tricks, this type of knowledge? Well, it's the simple fact of, in an urban type survival scenario, which we're looking at these few months, I want to develop a pack rack mentality, and what I need to do with that is also, with that pack rack mentality, is I want to make sure that I manage my resources well. That if I have candles or glow sticks or even batteries for flashlights, that I keep those for when I absolutely need that type of thing. This is something that in just about any house I can find, and it's something that I can then use to provide light for cooking or to see, to maybe read a map or whatever that case is. It gives me the ability to do that. The other thing that I can do with these, things that we are going to carry in our pack, we want to make sure that we have more than one use for these. So obviously I can use these to leave notes. I can write with them. I can do whatever it is that I need to do. And that is a good plus to have with this type of a situation. So, do they burn for 20 minutes? Pretty close to it. The thing that I had found with these, you want to make sure that you really get this wax just about either right at or just below the level of that paper. That allows a good wicking effect to take place with the crayon. Any wax-based crayon should work with this. Some may burn longer, some colors may burn longer than others. I'm sure that there's a lot of different things that will come into this. But still, good skill to know, and here's an easy test that we can do to see that these actually work. And for all intents and purposes, with the timer that you see there, they do actually what they claim that they do. So, that's all I got time for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's quick tip on Two Feather Survival. I'll see you again later this week. Until next time, guys, keep your knife sharp and your go bags close. Thanks for watching.